Hello, friends. I hope all of you are okay and fine, and I'm too. So, today I'm with you here with new topics, and I will show you one very important things to you. That is the Aragya Setu app, how to change the status from very high risk rates of inspection to very low rates of inspection and safe mode. So please just go through my video till the end, and I will show step by step, and you will going to find the process, going to learn how to change for immediate purpose. For example, whenever we go to office, sometime happen that you are never knowing that your Aragya app status has been changed into red colors or orange color, which is a high risk of infection, which indicate that you have come across with a COVID positive 90%. So that is why the security person will not allow you to get into the office, and you have to return back to your home. So basically, this is, I will give you the show you the trick how to just make the red stuff into green status, so that the security person allow you to get into the your workplace, office, call centers, airport, these mall, hospitals. And because this app is approved by the government of India, the Ministry of IT, and this app is designed to trace and locate the COVID 90% with the help of the Earphone, Bluetooth, and location. And this app is built in Android and iOS, Apple's these apps, and you'll find you can download this app from Play Store. So please go through my video. I'll show you step by step, and you go to learn how to make from red to green, from high risk to low risk. I will tell you the reason why Aragya Setu app status changed into red color. The green color indicates that you are safe, and when the green color changes into orange, its status changes into moderate rate of risk of infection. Then it turns into red. It is the very high risk of rate of infection. Please don't worry if your app is showing these red colors, or it is high risk inspections, or it is dangerous zones. It is because of the probability is that somehow you are come across with a person having some positive symptoms, or COVID positive person, maybe while going to your office, or going to market, going to your or malls, some nearby places, just contracted the Bluetooth etcetera. That is why. So here now, have a look. This is the status of the Aragya Setu, which is orange colors or yellowish colors, showing moderate risks of inspections. So now I will go step by step and show you how to change the color from orange or red to green. So I'm searching my Aragya Setu apps with all the questions and answers, pressing the buttons and the buttons as well as the questions. So here I have completed the session. Now still it is showing the orange. Now what I have to do is I have to remove the apps and reinstall it. I'm just uninstalling the app. Now I would press the uninstall button to remove the app. So uninstall button. Again, I would reinstall it from the Google Play Stores. Now here it is. I'm going to Google Play Stores. I will type the
Aragya Setu app. Here it is, I'm typing. So it is small mistake, so again I will return. Here it is, the symbol Aragya Setu app. Now I am going to install it. So here it is. It is installing the app now. As soon as the app installs, all I can check it and verify if the color has been changed. Now I will press the button to open and check if the color is changed. Now I open the app. First I have to select the language English. The next press button. Press button again. Next. I have to continue. Register. Now I'll just press the button register. Agree. So here it goes. Now the next step is I need the mobile number. I will just put in a mobile number. Then one time OTP will come to your phones to SMS. So it is wrong number again. I will just put the correct mobile number. After putting the mobile numbers, then the option comes submit. Then automatic OTP come to my SMS box. Now I have the OTP with me. Now I will put the OTP and submit button. Here I am putting the OTP and then submit button. Yes. Now I have to press agree. So the Aragya Setu app here. Again it is showing the orange color, the yellow is the same stats. It is the moderate risk of infections. Let me again go and assess. It is the questions they ask if you have any suffering from like fevers, colds, any diabetics. Here it is again. Let's see. Still the same status. There is no change of color. So let's again remove this app, uninstall the app and again reinstall. Here it is again. The same way I'm going to uninstall the app, uninstall. Again I will go to Play Store same as before and type Aragya Setu. Here it is, install. So it is now second time I am installing and uninstalling the app to check. By installing or uninstalling, the color can be changed, but we found there is no change of color. So we have to use the trick. Now I'm going to tell you the trick. The same, you have to go next button and finally register. Okay, now let's try with the mobile number other than your, that you have to have one alternative number, whether it is your friends or relatives or you have any other number. So OTP is received. Here it has worked. Now it is showing the green color. the status has been changed into low risk of inspection. Then again the assessment spot, you have to again do the assessment. So do the assessment almost one day another other. So here it is. Now is the greens and shaped.
So never worry, because you know your the health status. If you're fine, if you're healthy, if you have nothing a symptom like, nothing to worry. But if you have a symptom of cough, the body pains, and the fever, the high temperature, then you have to take precaution, take your home quarantine, isolations, and just stay, maintain the social distancings at home as well as outside. And precaution is better than cure, so we all know that it is very important, and health is very important for us. Friends, I have shown you the details of step by step the process how to make the Aragya Setu apps status from red to greens. It is very easy, and hope you have got to learn it, and I hope you utilize the process how I have shown you. And if you like my video, please don't forget to click one like button here, and if you want to subscribe, just press the subscribe buttons this side. And I will show you again more video with different topics. Thank you friend watching this video. Have a nice day. See you again. Bye. Good day.